make your recording on iMovie for your self-selected presentation. So first I have iMovie opened, so I'm just going to make sure I hit create new, and I'm going to select movie. From there, this is what's going to pop up, and I'm going to show you how to add a couple different things. First, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to this front half so that when you start the video, it has it at like a title slide, and then from there, you're going to import you discussing the slideshow after that, and I'm going to show you how to do both of those things. I'm going to start with how to make the screen cover. So I like to just do a name tag because it makes it easy and it has the font pretty big. And then I just choose any of them. So I might choose this one. And then instead of having it say Martha, I'm going to change that to self-selected, or for this example, your title of book. You obviously will have to change a couple things, like this font's a little too big, so I'm going to shrink it so that it fits there very neatly. I like to add a couple different unique designs of my own, so sometimes I'll add my own Bitmoji, which I have in this corner, which again, you don't have to do. And then I'm just going to paste it right here and move on. I will also finally take a screenshot so that I can upload it to my image. So here it is. The screenshot should load to my desktop. There it is. I just have to simply drag it onto the iMovie. So then here I have my screen cover. And again, instead of the title of the book, you'll actually include your title of the book. Title, and then I have my first video. So in order to edit that, I'm also going to add a transition. So you can pick any of them. You just hit this transition button, and then you can slide whatever you want into that little space. So that if I hit play, it just transitions into the next thing. So I got to scroll all the way to the end, and I'm actually going to start to record my self-selected now. I actually have my slides pulled up, and then I would hit the present button, and then it's going to show my slides just like it typically would here. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to walk through my presentation just like I would if I were in the classroom, but then this way you can see the slides while you're at home. And then I would just go from slide to slide, explaining each one and taking the time to kind of discuss it. What I want to make sure that I'm not doing is reading off the slides, because that makes your voice get very monotone, and you want to try to avoid that. Is add titles to the end of your slides. So if you go to this titles button, you can actually select any of these and then just drag it into where you want it. Once you kind of get there, you have to actually click on the box and then change it to what you want it to say. And then that is how you do that. The other thing that I want to show you how to do is if you are making an edit to your video, so let's say you're watching it, and as you're watching it, you don't like something and you want to cut it out. If you hit Command B, it's going to cut the video, and then you can hit play again, and then if that's the section you want to cut out, you hit Command B, and then you just highlight the section and then hit delete, and it will take it out for you.